Xiaomi is all pumped up to launch MIUI 12 on April 27, alongside Mi 10 Youth featuring a periscope telephoto camera arrangement. Ahead of the launch, the Chinese manufacturer has been teasing the MIUI 12 features on the MIUI's official Weibo account. Previously, it revealed the new Dark Mode 2.0 that will include wallpaper dimming, changes to the font, and more. In another post, it also revealed the new changes to the Xiaomi's Always On Display feature, including support for MAML format, the inclusion of over 1,000 animations right out the box, and more. MIUI 12 Camera App. Layout customization. In the next MIUI update, the camera app will support custom layout for the functions. In other words, users will be able to decide which camera options to keep at the forefront. MIUI 12 will allow camera enthusiasts to keep a minimum of 2 functions and a maximum of 10 functions on the main camera screen. Of course, you will be allowed to arrange the order of the options based on your preference. This will help users to locate favored camera options immediately. Color customization. In addition, the camera app in MIUI 12 will support color customization, according to a Weibo post from Xiaomi's camera division head. Users will be able to choose between 5 colors, including yellow, pink, purple, blue, and green. For now, it is difficult to tell if this relates to changing the camera app layout color or adding color filters while capturing a picture. Nevertheless, everything will be clear at the MIUI 12 April 27 event.